This is our very first time, Mother. This is our very first time on our boat, Merlinana. The boat Merlinana. There's Tata Seru. He's the tour boat pole guide. And there's Chuta, Yandra.
Ana Chuta.
And there's Anna, Miri. And here's Via, Sele. Nice. And we're going to Viumbani for our Easter picnic. And there's Viumbani. And don't be fighting, you kids, or we throw you off the boat. Yeah. Kani. Yandra Kani. Wana Kani.
Kani.
Oh, Leone. Cho. Yandra. Hoy, ikaw sama raw? Eh? Na picnicky?
Yeah.
Yeah, yata lang. Hoy, no fighting. Tuwa Bevala. Okay, let's see. Here's the waters, but we... Hey! I'm going to take your picture, and whoever I see Bevala, I throw over the boat.
Cholo!
Hoy. Shh. No, you have the umbrella. Tuwa. Hoy. Okay. So everybody, here we go. There's Viumbani. And pretty soon, Saru and Billy, they're going to build a shade for the boat. Tarpaulin shade. So we don't have to put on our umbrellas. Ooh, there's Taviuni Sele. And our boat has a leak already. We bought it with a leak. But Chuta is doing a good job. So Monday we'll fix the boat. Hey, Miri?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we'll paint the RLN sign, the 2 hearts. There's Sele. Okay, here we go to Viumbani. And there's Honeymoon Island. Hey. And someday maybe we'll have an engine so we can go fast. Okay, say hello, kids. Say hello. Gori.
Hello.
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 Bye.